What's going on? My name is Kyle here, is aka Racer Knight 99, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Wednesday, and it's time for the Wednesday reaction. This Wednesday reaction video, ladies and gentlemen, is Angry Grandpa Prank, another unloving cat. So it's like a YTP Angry Grandpa, ladies and gentlemen. So it's created by from Blue Cool, the Angry Birds fan 2022. So for ado, let's get the start. Let's begin. Let's check this out. 3, 2, 1, play. Check it out. Alrighty. Blue Cool, the Angry Birds fan 2022. Alrighty. Oh, I remember this reaction video. That's the one I did the 100 Ways to Love a Cat reaction video. I remember that.
I need you to just hold the door anytime he comes up
there. Oh. I remember when I did the reaction video of the 100 Ways to Love a Cat reaction video. I remember that. Oh my gosh. I can't find my speakers. Oh. Bro, I gotta be honest, it brings back a lot of good memories when I did that reaction video, the 100 Ways to Love a Cat reaction video. Oh man, it brings back a lot of good memories. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So that was a YTP Angry Grandpa. So it's Angry Grandpa Prank, another unloving cat. So I gotta say, that was pretty good, by the way. The editing of that video was amazing, by the way. You know, Blue Cool, the Angry Birds fan 2022 did an amazing, awesome job. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, hit the like and subscribe button, click the bell notification turned on. If you guys are new there, ladies and gentlemen, we're on road to 2,000 subscribers. And I love you all to the bottom of my heart. And don't forget to keep it rich. I love you. Have me today. See you guys next time. Have an awesome day. See you guys on the second reaction video or not, but I'll see you guys next time. Keep it rich. Have a great day. See you guys soon. And have a fantastic, awesome day.